Happiness is something you won't ever get it directly, but you may need to create it for yourself. Well, becoming a teacher, I never thought of I would ever be. So it's all about the training that I impart to them, the education that I impart to all the people, and it makes me feel good from inside. And really, I mean, I enjoy doing that training as a teacher. Basically, yoga will benefit you in many ways. I mean, there is not one such way I should tell you. I mean, you will realize it after the practice. I mean, after a month of practice, also, you will realize that what is changing within you. Importantly, whatever we are going through in this epidemic times is like we need to be positive in many ways. I mean, we need to spread positivity around our family, friends, colleagues, and whomsoever we see. So I'll take some more specific sessions. I mean, how to be focused or concentrate on some things. I mean, rather than going into depression, anxiety, or distress. So I'll explain some of these things, how to fight against them. My name is Ankur. Come learn with me at Open House.